The email. Join the community. Subscribe and click the bell icon for updates. Arjun Nair had a habit he was not proud of. He checked his phone before his eyes were fully open. 11 years of software engineering had rewired the instinct deep. The first act of every morning was to ensure the world had not caught fire while he slept. On this Tuesday morning in March, the world had not caught fire. Something quieter had happened. An email had arrived at 11:48 the previous night. Timed. Deliberately. He would later understand. So that no one in HR would have to answer his call until the next business day. Subject line. Workforce Transition Notice. Confidential. He read it once with his heart still slow from sleep. Then he read it again with his heart doing something different. Then he placed the phone face down on the bedside table and stared at the ceiling fan turning in the dark. The notice was 4 paragraphs long. The last one said his last working day was April 15th. HR would be in touch. The word, transition, appeared 3 times. The word, sorry, did not appear at all. He lay still for a long time. He listened to the apartment. The refrigerator hum. A dog barking on the street below. The thin sound of a neighbor's television through the wall. He had paid for these sounds for 7 years. They were the sounds of a life he had spent 11 years building. And they now felt strangely provisional. Like furniture in a hotel room that looks permanent until checkout. He was a good engineer. He had been told this many times and had believed it. The way you believe things that are consistently confirmed. 3 promotions. Reviews that said, consistently exceeds expectations. A team that came to him first when something was broken. None of that had been false. It had simply been insufficient. The company was not releasing him because he had failed. It was releasing him because something had arrived that did not need appraisals. Did not require health insurance for a family of 4. And did not experience self-doubt at 3 a.m. He got up before dawn and made chai. He stood at the kitchen window and watched the city stir. The first auto rickshaws. The newspaper boy. The vegetable vendor arranging his pyramids of tomatoes in the grey light. He watched all of this and felt, for the first time in his adult life, completely without a plan. He did not tell Meera until after Priya and Dev left for school. She sat across from him at the kitchen table and he handed her the phone. She read it the same way he had. Once quickly, once slowly. She set the phone down and folded her hands. How long have we been here? She asked. In this apartment? 7 years. No. She chose her words carefully. In this version of our life. He did not know precisely what she meant. But he understood it completely. There was a life they had been living. The ME life. The school fee life. The going to office and coming back life. And it had quietly ended while they slept. I'll find something, he said. She nodded. She did not say what she was already thinking. Which was that the job portals were flooding with resumes from engineers exactly like him. She had been reading carefully for months. She had been watching what was happening to Pune, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, the slow erasure of an entire generation's professional certainty. What she said instead was, my parents' land in Solapur is sitting empty. He looked at her. Just keep it in the back of your mind, she said. While you look, join the community. Subscribe and click the bell icon for updates.